I'm Joel Highland. I'm one of the teachers here at Churchill. Teach a variety of options, including agri-gardening, multimedia, and business.
And I'm Jeff Waugh. I teach science, biology, general science, and of course agri-gardening here as well at Winston Churchill High School. And so behind us you can kind of see we got a couple kids working right now. The whole goal of today was to try and get leaves and topsoil, loam, compost into our garden bins, which were generously donated by Sproutbox. For us too today, we're trying to get some cardboard to make our own compost using stuff that's inside the school. So there's a couple things that are going on today that a number of students are keeping busy.
So this whole project started, what, a year and a half ago?
14, 16 months ago maybe, yeah.
Almost 2 years ago we first discovered that we both like gardening. Having a background in options, I was familiar with the fact that you can teach this as a course. So Jeff and I just kind of met over staff meetings to start and shared ideas of what if one day we started an ag program, or agri-gardening is what we call it, program here at the school, to teach kids how to grow food in their own backyards and also prepare them to work in the industry if that's what they want to do. So this is our outdoor classroom we're building. And
we went around the province. We went to Lacombe, we went to Strathmore, Calgary. We've talked to other teachers that are all over the province on how to get something like this started. And the number one thing that a lot of them mention is you have to develop your own identity. For us too, one of the things that we want to do is feed the North. So we want to have kids get empowered by growing their own groceries and how their food grows, and then also have something that they can take home to their families as well.
Well, a lot of it depends on what the kids each semester want to grow and what they want to learn. Of course, as Jeff mentioned, a portion will be donated, a portion will be for the kids to take home or eat at school, and a portion will be for the foods program. So depends on which one of the thirds we're talking about, but we'll grow a lot of stuff that grows well in Alberta, potatoes and garlic and all sorts of yummy veggies and fruits.
Absolutely. Our foods program mentioned things that are in the ground, potatoes, as Joel mentioned, onions, carrots, radishes, parsnips, turnips, things like that. Things that can do well over the summertime and also in a raised bed as well. So yeah, but mostly, like you said, what the students want to grow as well.
And in the winter time, people often ask, what are you going to do in the winter months? Like, this is obviously a quarter one, quarter four outdoor thing, but we have a lot we can do indoors if kids are interested in ever taking this program. We have indoor grow systems. We're getting aeroponic towers.
Yeah.
So we'll grow fresh food all year round during the school year. And yeah, we just invite any kids from the division who want to learn agriculture to consider coming to our school and trying out this program.
Hi, my name is Ivan. I'm in grade 10 and I'm in agriculture and gardening, part of the Churchill program for options. And the whole purpose of this is to teach kids basically how to garden properly. And the goal is eventually to donate food to the food banks.
Hi, I'm Grayson Wright, also a student at Winston Churchill in the agri-gardening program. And just like Ivan said, we're out here planting, digging, putting everything in all these real nice planters, and we're just, goal is to get it to the food bank, but it's mainly about plant propagation is our entire lesson.
We also learn about how plants grow and like all the technical terms of plants, and if you look over there, we're doing a bunch of like compost stuff, so over the winter it's gonna just sit and then
ferment.
Yeah. Over time, we come back next year, hopefully it'll be all good and we can start actually growing things next year is the main goal. And eventually once all of that is set and we start planting, we're gonna take all that growth and stuff that we had and we're gonna donate to the food banks all around Lethbridge, and hopefully even some in our school for like foods and stuff. We can give some of them for foods to cook with and stuff. There's also a program we can join for over the summer where we can work here and maintain it for over the summers without minimum supervision, and we can just get credits from it too.
It's a really good work ethic to have, especially because everybody's over there just digging their way through everything, and we've gotten at least 3 of those planters, the tall ones back there, done in probably 15 minutes. So it's just a great tool for work ethic.
100%.
And it makes you appreciate, plants and stuff like that more.
I'm Jerica Go, grade 12 student, and you are?
I'm Abby Zelmer, also a grade 12 student.
We spend like half the time outside and half of the time in class doing...
learning about plant propagation, agriculture, stuff like that.
Yeah. Like present, medieval. Oh my goodness. We were talking about like beasts of burden.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Which are the fancy words that people call the oxen and stuff that would help plow and farm and stuff. It's called agri-gardening. because we both learn about things that can be used for agriculture and gardening.
And like 2 weeks ago, we got out of Jeff's room and started going to Joel's room. But we all have named plants, and they're so cute.
Yeah.
They're sprouting, and you can see all these little roots. Oh, it makes me feel so proud. I feel like a mother.
Yeah, we had a little plant propagation project where we had to like pick a plant to propagate and grow. So that's what those are from. I'm still waiting for mine to finish. And we also learned like the proper techniques to like raise plants, how to make sure that they're getting enough like water and sun and stuff, what types of necessary things they need, stuff like that.